All right, in this video, we are going to be solving this question together, and it says we should differentiate with respect to s, y equals 4 over into bracket 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1, everything raised to the power of 4. Now, the first thing I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be rewriting this question like this. Equal to, so we have 4 multiplying 1 over, then we have 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1 all raised to the power of 4, which I will be writing as, so we have y equals 4 multiplying 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1 all raised to the power of negative 4. Why is it negative 4? Recall in one of the laws of indices how that when you have a raised to the power of negative 1, the negative power is going to be having 1 over, then we have a. And vice versa, when we have 1 over a, it will be written as a raised to the power of negative 1. That's what I did here. So we have been able to get this. Then we are going to be applying chain rule. Why? Because when we have a bracket and the bracket is having a power, and in this case the power is even negative 4, so it means chain rule is the best to use. So from here, and how do we get to use chain rule? Whatever terms inside the bracket, we say let a particular variable be whatever term in the bracket. So so in this case, I'm going to be using p. Let p be equal to the terms in the bracket. We have 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we said let u be equal to all the terms in the bracket. Then we are going to differentiate that. So it's going to be the p, the x, because we are having p with respect to x here. So the p to the x is going to be 6x squared, of course we know that, then minus 12x, then plus 2. So that's the p dx. So since we have gotten the p dx, we can now rewrite our question, which is y equal to the whole of this. Let me highlight it. So which is y equal to this. You know, we've rewritten our question already. So we can now say, oh, then y would be equal to 4 multiplied by, don't forget, everything inside the bracket, everything enclosed in the bracket has been represented as p, So instead of me writing everything enclosed in the bracket, I'm going to be writing p. That's going to be p raised to the power of negative 4. In this way, it's going to be easy for me to differentiate with respect to p now. So we can now have the y dp will be equal to, so we have negative 16 p raised to the power of negative 5. So the y dp is negative 16 p raised to the power of negative 5. And don't forget, we are going to get the y dx. Now, to get the y dx, all we just need to do is say the y dx is the same thing as multiplying the y dp with the p dx. So the y dx is going to be the y dp multiplied by the p dx. In this case, we have the p and the p to cancel themselves out. So we have the y over the x, and as you can see, so the whole strategy for me to get the y dx now is to multiply the y dp with the p dx. And don't forget, what is the y dp? The y dp is negative 16p raised to the power of negative 5. So I'm going to be writing it. So the y dx now is going to be negative 16p raised to the power of negative 5. That's the y dp. Then multiply by the p dx. And what is the p dx? We have gotten the p dx here. This is the p dx. That's 6x squared minus 12x plus 2. So we're going to be writing it. So multiplying 6x squared minus 12x plus 2. Let me enclose them inside brackets. So in this case, we don't need to stress ourselves. All we just need to do is put back the value of p. So recall that p is the value of p is 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 6x raised to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 1. That's 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we have 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we are going to be substituting the value of p back. So the y dx equals negative 16, then multiplying 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x, then plus 1. Then multiplying another negative 6x squared minus 12x plus 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, let me put negative 5 here, which I can rewrite as negative 16 first. Then we have 6x squared minus 12x plus 2. I'm writing this one first. Then multiplying again 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x plus 1 raised to the power of negative 5. And that's the final answer. So do well to anticipate for more videos. Like, share, comment. You are great.